I'm here to present you today our project about Web3 marketing, which we call Spark Online. So first, a few words about us. We are a Web3 project which is helping other Web3 projects during their roadmaps. So, what's that, guys? Okay, thank you. This is Vitru Labs. This is us. So we are a Web3 project which is supporting other Web3 projects. So we know that the roadmaps are more or less similar in Web3 projects, especially in NFTs. We provide services in one platform, and our aim is to become one-stop shop for your project needs, for your milestones. So the project of Vitru Labs today, which I'm going to present, is called Spark Online. With Spark Online, what are we doing is actually a marketing platform. So this is community-focused, token-gated, Web3 micro-influencer marketing. Here is the conventional influencer follower tiers. You can see that we call from 0 to 9K followers, we call these guys nano-influencer. And after 10 to 100K followers, we call it micro-influencer, but this is the traditional Web 2. So this is Instagram, guys. For crypto Twitter, it's different. For us, you should divide this by 10. So for us, from 0 to 1K is a nano-influencer. From 1K to 10K followers is a micro-influencer. So if you can check if you are in that range yourself in Twitter. And chasing micro-influencers is an important thing today. Everyone wants to do campaigns with micro-influencers because it's easy. Instead of spending $1 million to a celebrity, you can take the same amount of resources and you can give to 10,000 micro-influencers, and you can get maybe a better effect, a better things for your brand. But this is only possible if you can connect to right people. You can connect to right influencer for your project. And problems and challenges of working with micro-influencers is first the match. How are you going to find the right people for your project? Second is the time you consume connecting to the right people. Then the content, if they are issuing this correct content for you. And the trust is also a big issue, of course. We have this dashboard. If you use our platform, you can start campaigns in 3 ways. First is a nano campaign. If you start a nano campaign, you're gonna put some kind of resources, whatever you want. It can be dollars, it can be your token, it can be your NFTs, or it can be your whitelists. So you are giving away these to any guy, anybody using Twitter. Second way of starting a campaign is a micro campaign. Then you can set some standards for the influencers who come and contribute to your project. For instance, you can say, okay, I'm limiting this to the guys who have followers at least 5K. And token gated means much more for your project. For instance, you are an NFT project which is existing on Solana. Of course, you want to reach other people who are buying and selling NFTs. That's why the right influencer for you is maybe a guy who is solding Solana monkey business since 3 months, let's say. So, because monkey follows monkey, we help you find these right people for your project. Of course, needless to say, you're going to save a bunch of time. In one of our projects, we needed at least 1.5 months to find and start working with micro-influencers. And here, using this platform, you can do it in a couple of hours only. And you will have control over your content, because when micro-influencers are writing tweets about you, you will be the one to approve them before it gets posted. So trust, of course, is a big issue. And it's very important also for influencers themselves, because if an influencer, let's say, shields the wrong project, it can be the end of his career. That's why we provide here as much as possible. We check in a dashboard, we check if all the two parties have followers, real humans or bots. We provide you information if they are doxed or not doxed, etc. So this is a screen for your campaign results. You can see which influencer contributed most, how much prize they won, etc. Here you can set, for instance, one influencer as your favorite guy because he or she produced great content for you, very creative. So you can tip him or her, or you can add them in your favorites so that they can receive, in your next campaign, receive notifications, let's say 2 hours prior to anybody else. So we have also some other products in Vitru Labs. I think my time is up now.
Yep.
If you want to talk about blockchain technologies like minting services, Discord bots, if you need a DEX, for instance, in your website, you can contact us. We also have a project called Voxfield. We produce merch for you and we ship them worldwide, wherever your community is. So please contact us if you need any of our services. Our team is here. The Vitruians team, please stand up, guys. Thank you for listening to me.